आयच्यान AI कॅमेरा ॲक्टिवेट करतले येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगला. हे करतनाच स्पीडीन गाडी चलोवप्यांचेरूय पुलीस नजर दवरतले. येरादारी खात्यान घालून दिल्ली स्पीड लिमीट सगळ्यांक पाळची पडटली. पुलीस स्पीड मीटर घेवन रस्त्यार उबे रावतले अशें मंत्री माविन गुदिनोचें म्हणणें आसा. पुलिशेक स्पीड कॅमेऱ्याचें वांटप केल्या उपरांत माविन गुदिनो उलयताले.
आम्ही ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स जे आयडेंटिफाय केले त्यांचेरूय it is a work in progress. Many places we have corrected it. It is the PWD doing this, but we are pressing for it because we have regularly had our road safety council meetings and we have been going ahead trying to improve that. Besides this speed camera, तुमका already खबर आसा हांवें सांगिल्लें from 1st June the artificial intelligence used cameras which have been installed by the PWD again through our department. They have been the agencies or they selected the agencies, which I want to make it clear. And there was some little hitch as far as the message junction is concerned. They said there was overflow of traffic, too much of traffic. It did not work. I think they have pulled up their socks already, and I expect an improvement. So from first, we will be making those cameras also operational. How you will get proof exact in seconds at that spot if you have crossed the traffic signal, kon cross करून येला, kon jumped the queue, or somebody not wearing a helmet. हे सगळे with photographic evidence येतले, including if necessary, as it has a range of 200 meters and at night time 100-meter range. These are very high resolution cameras and nobody can play the fool. So my earnest request to you, members of the press, to the public of Goa, I said, whatever the laws may be there, if you don't break them, why have you to get scared?